Hello gamers! In this video, let's see step-by-step solution on an Unreal process has crash fix in Stalker 2. Let's dive into the video. Earning money through gameplay first, complete quests, main and side missions. Engaging in both main story quests and side missions is one of the most reliable ways to earn coupons, the game's currency. Many quests offer substantial rewards, often exceeding 1,000 credits each. Next, hunt for artifacts, artifact collection. Artifacts found in anomaly zones can be sold for high prices. Players should use their Echo scanner to locate these artifacts, safely utilizing the money glitch that is Infinite Money Glitch. A popular method currently circulating among players is an Infinite Money Glitch that allows for rapid accumulation of coupons. Here's how to execute it. Go to Zalazia. Start at the trader in this area. Prepare items. Gather consumables like bread or medical kits to sell. Open trading menu. Add your items to the sell box. Execute sell command. Click to sell all, but before confirming, pick the item back into your inventory. Confirm sale. Complete the sale and then select return all to get your items back while keeping the coupons gained from the sale. This glitch has been reported to work effectively but may be patched soon due to its popularity. Combining traditional gameplay methods like questing and artifact hunting with the money glitch can significantly enhance your financial standing in STALKER 2. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you.